58 Malsbury Road in Normanhurst is a 3-bed, 1-bath, 2-car cottage that will appeal to the entry-level market and downsizers alike. Upon entering this property, you're greeted with these high ceilings and this large entryway as you move in to some of the living. I love this multi-living space. With the continuation of the high ceilings, room for a couple of couches, combustion fireplace, gas bayonet for a gas heater. Coming into this second living space, currently set up as a music teaching room and also as a library. This home has 3 well-sized bedrooms, this one being the master. Of course, the continuation of the high ceilings in here and this north-facing bay window. Moving through to the rear of the property, we have the linen cupboard, walk-in pantry and laundry. This area absolutely packs a punch with family entertaining. This casual dining area right next to this beautiful sun-drenched country-style kitchen with bench-top eating space and servery, and of course, gas cooktop. 58 Malsbury Road in Normanhurst is perfect for the downsizer or entry-level buyer into Normanhurst, or simply someone looking to be close to some of the Upper North Shore's most prestigious schools. Walk to rail or close to Hornsby Westfield.